Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to design a cohesive brand kit in Canva. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing I'm going to show you two ways to make a design on Canva. The first way is to start designing from scratch by clicking on this create the design button at the top right corner of your screen. Or you can head over to the search bar, which is right here. Describe what you want, and then it's going to take you to a world of templates that will help you facilitate your design or your creative processes. So in this search bar, all we need to do in this case is to type in cohesive brand kit. So here you have your templates. Now I'd like you to know that not all the templates are free or are easily accessible, because some of the templates have this pro thing right there. It means you have to upgrade your plan to access them. But if you don't have the pro thing, it means it's free and you can now, of course, get your brand kit or design your brand kit as you want. So here you have, this is free, okay, and it's a little cohesive, right? So I'm just gonna click that off and customize this template. So I'm going to move the slider to zoom in. So take it forward, you're zooming in, take it backwards, you're zooming out. So from here, you can now change it to your brand name. Double click and I'm going to say Amy Mac. So here I can double click and type in what you want. So here's your logo, right? Put in your logo, double click, change. And then here are pictures. Let me show you how you can replace these pictures. So I'm heading over to uploads, right? To see if I have my uploads here. So let's say the things I've worked on so far are books. So I can just drag and drop on this particular picture. And so here is another book, Trigger Max. All right, so just drag and drop. That's what it entails. This is another one. Didn't like how that looked, so I'm just dragging and clicking on that, Control Z. Okay, I'm clicking on that, and to know why my book was placed like that. So I don't like that, so I'm just Control Z, and let's say I drag it and drop somewhere else, so it's cool here. Okay, so let's say I drag this here. So that's fine. And there, that's fine. And these are my brand kit, like the things, my products, they're all here. So here you can of course change the colors of these things. If you don't like the colors, this is just color palette. You can just get something else, like a different kind of icon that you can use. So even right here I can just change this to just make it a book kind of thing, but look at the way it looks somehow. So I'm just gonna get something that suits this nude kind of background. So if you want to change the color of your text, Click on it and hit right here, text color, to change the text color. If you want to change the color of the background, you can just click on the background picture. So I have my background and this is background color. You can change the color. All right. Or even this. If you want to make pictures, drag and drop to change the position. Control Z to put that in line. All right. So that's pretty much it. If you want to make more adjustments, you can just click on anything and click on the three dots menu for any text to use any of this. So just tweak this thing to what exactly you want and you'll be good to go. Once you're done, click on the share button and click on download. And once you click on download, you have that saved on your system's folder. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped your search.